Welcome to the clean yet powerful performance dashboard from KnowNow. Get a quick overview of your machine's performance with just a glance. Or take a deeper look to unlock insightful information. All on one page and in real time. The central OEE gauge shows both shift and current R performance against a color-coded bezel for easy interpretation. The dual needle technique allows you to determine if the performance is improving or not, and can be used as a quick reference to see if a corrective action has been successful. This principle is used on all graphical displays on this page. Understand your OEE with individual bars displaying the availability, quality, and speed components. Bars are color-coded green, amber, and red, according to preset targets, enabling you to quickly identify areas of concern. View the product currently being produced, along with the current progress and estimated time to completion, based on actual running performance, no more guessing. And finally, actual real-time production totals are displayed along with real-time scrap totals. Just one more way that KnowNow is here to help you improve your production efficiency. Like and subscribe to see more benefits and features, and visit our website to schedule your free consultation.